Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox Jade plant and I'm going to show you about different locations you can place this plant. I brought this Jade plant to online shopping. You can watch these holes were made by the seller for air ventilation. This parcel reached me after 4 days of placing order. Here is the plant. Let me take this plant out. Oh, I'm unable to take it out. Oh, it's fixed. Let me try taking out through the bottom of this box. Yes, I am done. Here is the plant. If you are looking for a plant that attracts luck and money, Jade plant is the perfect plant for your office, business, premises and homes. Jade plant is also known as money plant, dollar plant, pink joy, lucky plant and friendship plant. It is not a cactus plant and it is known as succulent plant, which will bear either small pink flowers or white flowers. Jade plants are poisonous to our pets, cats and dogs, and mildly toxic to humans. The most common side effects of eating these plants are diarrhea, vomiting, and an upset stomach. Through this diagram, let's assume that front or entrance of your office or home is facing each direction. This is where Chai first enters, and for that around a leaf plant is good. This will welcome money into the home or office. According to Feng Shui practices, placing a jade plant near the entrance of your home or office can bring prosperity and success. Placing jade plant in a southeast location brings financial blessings, and it is believed that each new leaf growth will increase your wealth. Placing jade plant in east areas is good for family well-being and harmony, the start of new activities or projects, and scholarly pursuits. Placing a jade plant in west areas is good for children luck and creativity. Placing jade plant in northwest areas is good for fortunes of mentors, teachers and social supportive individuals. Now I am going to place my new jade plant near the entrance of my home. This is my entrance. And I am going to place this plant near the door. And I am done. For watering of this plant, don't sprinkle water on the plant. You need to just give enough water to the soil once, but not every day. Too much watering can cause the soil too wet and roots rotten little by little. Not enough water is also bad for the plant, since it will make the leaves wrinkle. You should remember also that before watering, the soil surface of this plant must be dry first. For the light, great growth will come from being placed in a position with a good sunlight. However, the plant will grow in darker places and will even do well in a windowless room. Place your plant outside in sunlight in your weekends for an hour or more in the morning. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel For more latest informative updates, please like and share. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.